Hi, Janet Valenza here. I wanted to speak with you today about a topic that a lot of clients ask me about, and that is packing. It's the season of summer vacations, travel, etc. And I wanted to share with you that packing is a subset of your whole wardrobe. So if you have a wardrobe that, with a strategy for efficiency and effectiveness, packing well naturally follows from that. In the same way, if you try to pack when you don't have a wardrobe strategy, it's like trying to address the symptom without dealing with the problem. So I have a tip for you. That is, start with a great fitting second layer, a jacket, a sweater, a cardigan sweater, a shirt jacket, etc. Something that's versatile, functional, fits you well, and build around that. It's a great way to begin to get your wardrobe in order and to pack for a trip. See you next time. Bye.